Good morning, folks. How the devil are you all? Tis another gorgeous day in Camp Ambolist. Elvis. Hey yo. Oi! No!
What's he doing then?
Pissed up the f***ing sign.
Yo, you bastard.
He just shat himself. So we managed to get some stuff delivered. Fortunately, we got it delivered to Marie's brother's, and then he drove all the way out to us and dropped them off. Yeah, ordered a few bits and bobs. I managed to get some of my stuff sent from my mum's house as well, that I had in storage. Got like a couple of big bags of firewood, some tools, got my big axe. I need to sort that out actually today because the head's loose. Yeah, a few bits, and as you can probably hear, another wind chime. I didn't bother filming that yesterday because, you know, it was like an hour or two of just disinfecting everything, which is tedious as it is, let alone having to think about cameras. Yeah, a few new bits and bobs. Got a new skillet, kettle, new radio. Got a proper walkie-talkie that you can manually tune. I do love our little camp now. It's come a long way in a couple of weeks. We've got the reflection area over there, over the hammock. Chicken, or the start of the chicken area. That's going to be a veg patch. Bird table, log store, fire, stove, oven, table. Oh, I love it. Oh, compost bin, Axe Olympics. Trying to get a cinematic clip with the wind chimes.
Wind, I don't know about chimes.
So this is the axe. As you can see, she's a bit of a Brutus. But needs a bit of work because the head is loose. So I'm going to take it off and move it down a little bit, clean it up, and I'll have to put an edge on it as well because, yeah. It won't go down, the handle wouldn't seat, and it was only through doing that I realised it had a great big split right at the edge of the head, so now I'm having to dig it all out. But that's a good thing anyway, because if that had come off, then yeah, that'd be a bad day. The only thing is, I don't know if there's enough meat left on this handle to reseat it. I might have to make a new handle. I don't know, we'll see. So I've decided I'm just going to make a new one. This is oak. I think it should be okay. It's a bit shit around the edges, but once we get into it, that's what I made the other handle out of. Well, I managed to not spot the knot halfway down that piece of wood. So that's the end of that. Well, so that I didn't completely waste the day, decided to cut the big handle in half, and I had another head lying about. So we've now got a smaller thing. Bastardo! Watch your foot.
Watch out.
Come on. The more things you have, the better it works. Then his feet don't go down the hole. Where's chainsaw?
You need a chainsaw.
You need smaller ash type saw.
Ah!
I love giving advice. What you want to do right is this.
Yeah.
How? It's actually bending away, look.
Well, this is an easy 3 minutes of video for me.
There's lip in the wrong place.
I'm feeling good about this one.
You got to push it in, poke it with some more wood.
I don't want to make it go out.
No, you won't. Poke it. Gently. There you go, look, it's coming out the top.
Oh.
I felt good about this one. Like, what actually is guano?
Is that not too wet for a Swedish candle?
Well, it's been cut for ages, isn't it? You got this out the
Yeah,
the
but-
fence.
You're an hour in.
I know. Solid wood.
Menu.
Menu for the boys is nettle pesto pasta.
Oh yes.
If you want to learn how to make this, Marie has a blog where she does the whole recipe to do this.
And people have tried it and they actually love it.
There you go.
So
Is it working?
I should have cleared out more. I put
There's a flame on top.
Yeah, that's because I put some in the top. I put tissue in it, which was a bad move. It's all about experimenting, isn't it?
actually going to sign off today. Just been out taking a few night pictures, so I shall throw those on the screen at the end. I found a pretty cool feature on the drone a little while back. It's got two big LEDs on the bottom, which are like landing lights, but if you go into the settings you can manually turn them on and off with a button. So you can hover it above stuff and light it all up underneath, and it works pretty well. So I've been playing around with that. And yeah, I think it turned out pretty cool. Thank you for all the feedback coming in on these videos. I know they're a bit sort of spotty, you know, here and there, but obviously not travelling at the minute, so I can't film me going to new places. And because it's a daily video, you know, sometimes things don't work. Prime example, that axe today. I spent like 3 hours making that thing. And then it just bust. You live and you learn from your mistakes, don't you? And I would always look for knots from now on when making axe handles. But yeah, it's all good. It's all practice, ain't it, at the end of the day? I enjoy doing that kind of thing. I was happy as Larry today doing that. I'm glad you're enjoying following along with the antics of Camp Amboliste. Oh God, what a name. What a time. What a place. I genuinely could not wish for any more right now. This is awesome. It's going to be weird when it's over. We have to go. We make these memories, don't we? And you know, while it's happening, just got to enjoy it. Whatever you're doing, just try and make the best of it. Try and do it with a smile on your face and enjoy it, because we're all on a time limit, aren't we, at the end of the day? So no point being miserable. Go call it there before I start waffling on too long. So yeah, I shall see you all tomorrow, folks. Catch you in a bit.